Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Poco X3 GT device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. First, you need to open the control panel, and here you need to disable all unnecessary features. In my case, it's is mobile network because I'm using the Wi-Fi. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable auto brightness and reduce your screen brightness. Then you need to disable location services. So close it. Disable the nearby share, me share, and NFC. Great. And of course, if you are using the hotspot, you need to disable it too. And then open the smartphone settings, and here you need to find the display settings. So find the display and enable the dark mode, because you have LED screen, and it means that in the dark places your screen disabled, so it's not consuming the battery power. And great. And the last step is of course enabling the battery saving mode. So you can enable save battery mode here, and you can enable ultra battery save. So great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.